In a world where everyone is focused on cryptocurrency investments, is there money still left to be made in the stock market? What opportunities are available? We're going to find out right now. Welcome back to Life Changing Wealth. You know who it is. It's your boy, Jay Biondo here. I post videos every day about the stock market, cryptocurrency, and also investing in real estate. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. So today, we're going to talk about a company called Trane Technologies, okay? It's a company that, I'm just going to pull them up real quick so you guys can see exactly what we're dealing with here. So this is a company I just invested in yesterday. Essentially, they make HVAC solutions. They own a lot of major brands like American Standard. You know, that's like all my toilets in my house, right? But they do a lot with heating and cooling. Heating and air conditioning. It's a massive company. And right now, this company saw a little bit of struggle, okay? But I just wanted to give you a quick overview of their brand because we're going to talk about them today and why they might be the perfect opportunity for you to jump in on your next equity investment. So, to dive a little deeper, let's go to the charts. All right, guys, so here we are looking at Trane Technologies. We see here that it's pretty much been an uptrend. This is on the daily chart. It's been just moving up and up the whole year pretty much. We saw a couple corrections here, a little nasty dip in April, but it's been it just keeps moving up. It's kind of crazy how that's been going on, but this company keeps growing and growing. So recently, there was a little bit of a dip. You know, it was up to almost $270, and now we're looking. It dipped all the way down to like 167, and we're back up to the 180s, right? So I bought in yesterday, and the real question that you have to ask yourself is, well, is this thing going to start to roll over and dip down, or is it heading higher, right? So you may have some investments in your portfolio that aren't moving and you might not think are going to move. And this might be something to consider. So why was there this dip, right? So over the past quarter, their quarterly earnings came out and it wasn't so hot. But the real reason why they weren't so hot from the CEO was he said that all of their products are right off the coast of California right now and can't be delivered to their customers. And once they get delivered, all those earnings are going to come in next quarter. Okay, so in not too long, we're going to see all those earnings come in, and I think we're going to see a nice price bump because of that. So in the future, in the not so distant future, earnings are expected to sort of blast off, probably in a few months or so. Long-term price targets at $220. So this is a nice time to just throw some cash in and make some money. That's the way I look at it for myself, at least. And today I want to give you guys also just an overall sort of update on the whole stock market. So let's talk about that. Let's go to the S&P 500 real quick. Okay, so the S&P 500 is on a tear right now. Stock investments are going through the roof. I think it's just because of all the additional liquidity in the market, with the increase in the money supply and inflation. And we did have a little bit of a pullback here in early October, and now we're just going to new highs, guys. So exciting time to also own equities and crypto. If you're owning crypto, you're doing great. If you're owning equities, you're probably also doing great too. So kind of exciting times. We see like a little bit of an extension here, but it's not too far gone. If we just throw the 20 weeks in, we're getting a little bit extended. But let's just do a quick. 5% extended, 6% extended. Nothing crazy. Sort of as you can see, the S&P kind of rides that 5% extension and just gradually trends up with time. So that's where we are. Its stock market's looking good. It's not overly extended, and I don't anticipate a big drop. So with that said, we also have to take a quick look at the U.S. dollar because it's very important. Whatever the dollar is doing is going to impact the stock market, and it's also going to impact crypto markets, particularly Bitcoin. So right now, we are seeing the dollar start to fight back. It's sort of fighting back after this massive dump, in June. So June 2020 or June 20. Yeah, so it's just kind of dropped off the face, and now it's working its way back up, and that's not so good for Bitcoin or the stock market. Even though the stock market's rallying right now, it's definitely not good for Bitcoin. If this were to tank down, we would definitely see a rise in the price of Bitcoin. So those are some of the things, just some of the things to think about. And I definitely wanted to give you that update on Trane Technologies in the event that you're still looking for, other equities to jump into. That's one that I got in. Might be a great pickup for you. Who knows, right? But but anyway, just wanted to give you guys that update. If you guys like the content, make sure to like the video, subscribe below. There's going to be more content just like this in the future. So I hope to see you guys in my next videos. And also, don't forget to leave a comment below, guys. I want to hear from you. I want to know, what are your thoughts on Trane Technologies? What are your thoughts on equities right now versus crypto? Let me know down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys, and I will see you in the next video.